I went on a job interview a couple of years ago, and the lady said to me, she said, you didn't sound black over the phone. I said, then I might be in the wrong place because you didn't either. What is it with my voice? I went on a blind date with a dude, and he was like, oh, you're so articulate. You speak so well. I said, you heard me in the trunk? With the duct tape over my mouth. I said, what did I say? I'm from Detroit, everybody. Feel the love. If you don't know, Detroit has just recently gone through a bankruptcy because we're broke. Newsflash, people. Me and everybody in the city of Detroit is broke. How come we couldn't get in on the bankruptcy too, okay? I mean, really, you threw so much stuff into the bankruptcy. Did you ever think about adding Experian, Equifax, maybe TRW? I need to get my credit straight too, okay? I mean, and how dare Detroit even say it's the car capital of the world anymore? People, it's like 2 cars left, okay? That's because everybody who bought a car drove it out of Detroit. The people that own the 2 cars, they flew, okay? We got so many abandoned houses and empty buildings in Detroit. Oh my God. I mean, the busiest part of the city is where my brother lives, and that's because he's in jail. I went up in there, it was paparazzi and everything. His cellmate was the ex-mayor of Detroit. Ladies, you need a boyfriend? I know where to go. And you know, Detroit is broke. I mean, really, we can't even afford to dot the I or cross the T when we spell Detroit, okay? 99-cent stores have renamed themselves, we'll take whatever you got stores.